Texture coat here. It is a very thick coat and formulated especially for ceilings. A roller. We're going to tape up drop cloth. This is the painter's tape that I'm going to use. Right now we're taping up the plastic in such a way that we're getting it close enough to the ceiling so that the texture doesn't get on the wall. We taped this room in order to protect the molding and to protect the walls. If you're careful, you can even use thin blue tape. That's what we used, blue painter's tape. And it worked quite well. When you're painting, especially with a large nap roller that is a little more difficult to control, you want to be sure that you tape around appliances on the ceiling, such as your light units and your vents from air conditioning. So we taped around all of those and made sure that we didn't get paint inside of them.